Trailer's all built and all done. My tires didn't show up, so I'm just using takeoffs from a TRX-4, so the fenders don't fit, and I had to make some custom spacers. But I do want to take this to the West Coast Scale Trail today and see how it holds up. Let's run it, see what breaks, and go from there. So yeah, we'll see you at the trail. Traction was really an issue here. It was super dusty. We're gonna torture test something. We're gonna torture test something. Try it again. As far as the hitch hasn't broken yet. It's not a PVG. The plastic rails on the trailer really tended to hang up on the rocks here, so I feel like if it was a bit smoother, it would just flow over, but in this case it really just hung up all the time. Let's see if your truck can make it through there without looking stupid. That's a tricky gap regardless.
I think I did this last time and got caught up on my roof.
Go faster.
So what you're saying is you gotta go to the store and spend some more money on the servo.
I'm gonna wait till some goes up.
Fair enough.
Did you 3D print the trailer?
Yeah, it's fully printed.
Except for the
This is our torture test for it. You know what they say, when in doubt, throttle out, and the fact that a fully plastic hitch holds up is impressive.
Try to explain this to my father over lunch.
It's entertaining.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm kind of purposely doing it. All right, is the trailer too wide?
Good.
Very skilled driving.
Helpful if I line myself up in any meaningful way before I got started.
Nicely done. I don't know if I can get up this.
Oh, I can't get up that.
No?
No, I don't know if my tires were too low when I tried earlier or what, but like I could not just go straight up that.
Clean.
Not so clean.
Totally clean. Like, it's tricky because I'm like, I'm looking at the trailer and not the truck.
Whoa. You're at the back. Oh, you're good. I mean, you're off, but you're still moving. You're on.
We're still in it. Screw it, we'll go this way. I think I'm okay.
I mean, I got you an angle. I don't know how it's gonna look, but it's something.
Yes!
Amazing.
In conclusion, this thing works really well, actually. The wheels were loaners, so that's why they're not there anymore. But, yeah, I beat on it. I did things to it that you really shouldn't have done to it. There's a couple key things that I noticed with it. I feel like if these were smoother, I would rub on less things. Obviously, with the right size wheels, it would rub on less things. I'm not super pleased with the axle setup here. And you can see that where the wheels were rubbing, I had a fair gap between the wheels and the body. But the way that this axle flexes, you can see the actual flex in the axle. It's like its own spring on top of the springs. So that's just not rigid enough. Now, the Creator does have, like, they recommend putting a 3mm rod down the center. I don't think a 3mm rod is going to make much of a difference on that. But I have plans to make this better. Other than that, I've got a little bit of wear on the corners up here where it's rubbing on rocks. I think a piece of tin, just as a slider, on these bottom corners. And then another little gripe is just the flex in the front. You can see that, how much flex there is there. So I can't help but feel that if I throw a screw between the box and the body, clamp this together, it'll be significantly better. But I still got to put windows in this thing. I've got bits to put the kitchen in the back, which involves some disassembly, but I want to put something in the back. And then my tires showed up. So yeah, it's not the last we'll see of this. But super cool file. I really like it. I think the guy did a fantastic job for it. It's free. I'm going to put the link to his stuff down there, actually. It'll be in the description. The guy did a great job. It's a free file. It was fairly easy printing. This top part, actually, this was a bear to print. I've got, hang on, that many misprints because his support settings kind of suck. So tweak the support settings a little bit for this guy. I don't know what it was about my printer. It's usually like dead nut solid, but it kept lifting off in the corners and creating weird warpage. 4 attempts, 2 different materials, different rolls. Once I tweaked the support settings, it was perfect. So, but other than that, I mean, it's really cool. It was a lot of fun to ride with on the trail, and I will be doing more of it for sure. Anyway, like, comment, all that good stuff. Let's keep playing with tiny trucks.